Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. In this SolidWorks tutorial, we're going to be talking about views and different ways that you can view your project and how to adjust those views so you can see what you want. Today I'm using my own personal model I made of the Apex Legends Wingman, not the Titanfall 2 Wingman, the B63, I believe it was. So we're going to be using this as our test model today, mostly because I just think it looks really cool and I'm quite proud of it. So the way you're going to want to look around is by taking your mouse and clicking the mouse wheel, the mouse scroll wheel. You can click the scroll wheel and that will allow you to free rotate around your build. The black lines help you define what you see your object as. It helps you just to perceive 3D a little bit better. So something like this, which relies heavily on those lines because there really is no differentiation in the model. So we use the lines to keep it looking really nice and give that aspect of 3D. You can also use a wireframe, turn it into just kind of that type of thing. True see-through wireframe, so you can see everything inside of your model. And really, really crazy wireframe. This lets you see everything as basically wires, which I think is pretty cool. But we're going to go back to the original. Next up, what we're going to take a look at right here is the all types section, or the visibility. Here we can take a look at what things we want to view. So if we want to view all of the different planes that we have, in this case it's just an assembly, we can show the primary planes, we can show all the other different planes that we can have here. Basically what this will do is just show you what you want to see. So if you want to view when you're welding things in some sheet metal, you can use that as well. Come down here, I usually like to have these these six all pointed out. You have the top level annotations, sketch dimensions. You can control the visibility of sketches, but you can also do that by just clicking on a sketch and then hitting the I button to show it, and that'll show the sketch wherever you want to go. But I usually keep them off, especially when viewing a big assembly like this. Other types as well, 3D sketch planes. You can also use view sketch relations. This is more, some of these are more for when you're sketching parting lines. You're gonna have to play around with some of these on your own. I'll try to go into more in-depth discussion on each of these, but this is going to be really helpful when doing the CSWA or CSWP, so you can view where the center of mass is. I'll go into that in my CSWA tutorials. Over here I'm going to go into edit appearances and apply scenes in a different video where we're going to talk about how to make your model look like this, add some textures to the bottom of it, change materials. That'll probably be in some of the CSWA preparation videos. Over here you finally have some view settings where you can turn on perspective mode, turn off or on. The way perspective mode works is if you look at an object in the real world, the farther it is away from you, the smaller it gets. So perspective does that exact same thing, and it kind of warps the view of it and makes it look more lifelike. You have some cartoon ways of looking at things. You can also turn off the shadows in shaded mode, the ambient occlusion, and just make everything look as basic as can be. Anyway, that's it guys for views, your basic views in SolidWorks. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description below. As an FYI, this model is actually about to be available on Etsy for purchase. You can purchase the complete model as a 3D printable STL file. It also includes the several different parts that come with it as well, so you can print all of this on your own and make adjustments as you need. Feel free to purchase this and check out my Etsy page for other interesting things. I try to keep it updated as fast as I can with my pretty busy schedule. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.